Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the VIN and current Uconnect version so the system accepts the package. Once done, format a 16 GB USB to FAT32 and copy only the update file provided by the dealer or official source. Make sure the vehicle is in ACC or RUN with parking brake engaged. This prevents power loss during transfer. You should also disable Bluetooth and close phone apps to avoid interruptions. This step puts everything in place. You insert the prepared USB into the console port and watch the screen for USB detection. Then you follow the prompts. Choose Start Update, confirm you understand not to power off, and let the unit manage file extraction. During installation, the head unit may reboot several times. This is normal and part of applying partitions and firmware. Make sure you do not remove the USB until prompted. If the screen goes blank for a minute, be patient. The update often continues behind the scenes. You complete the process by waiting for the explicit on-screen message that the update finished before removing the USB. Premature removal can brick the unit. Once removed, reboot the car system by turning ignition off then on, and verify the new Uconnect version in Settings System Info. Make sure radio, navigation, and smartphone integration function as expected. If something goes wrong, retry with a freshly formatted USB or a different port. If problems persist, contact your dealer for the official recovery procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.